This 2026 Venture RV Stratus SR291VQB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Venture RV is 33 feet 11 inches in length and features a chestnut interior, sleeps 8, external shower, TV antenna, oven, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, LP detector, refrigerator, smoke detector, spare tire kit, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Venture RV Stratus SR291VQB is 6,950 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.